Last week, me and my friends went out and bought $3,000 3-litre 6-cylinder engined cars. Now we move into the real life challenges, where we'll be testing the 0 to 100 times, having a few cheeky rolling races, and next week, a hill climb battle. Gentlemen, today is the day we're going to be finding out whose car is the fastest.
It's mine. No, it's mine.
It isn't, it's mine!
No. I've got the super engine.
But you don't, because it's not turbo.
2JZ.
It's worse.
2JZ.
It's the least powerful.
2JZ, it's the super engine.
We're going to be putting our 3-litre, $3,000 5-speed automatic sedans and one wagon here head to head in a series of challenges over the course of these videos. But today we're going to be seeing which car has the fastest 0 to 100 time and which car wins in a rolling race, which will be very interesting. We're going to do 2 heats and then 2 finals to see whose is the fastest, and it's going to be mine, obviously.
It's going to be that.
No, it won't.
Well, just come on.
No. After many more hours of bickering, Jack decided that he wanted to go first and was feeling confident as usual.
Don't fail me, please.
Then Campbell departed in a whirlwind of straight 6 fury. Toby went next, attempting to prove the super engine in his Alteza was as mighty as he claimed. And then finally the VTEC V6 went last. Alrighty, come on, Accord. That wasn't too bad. The time has come to reveal the 0 to 100 times that we achieved. Who wishes to go first?
Campbell, I vote Campbell.
Campbell. What time did you do?
2003 BMW E39 530i did it 7.7 seconds.
Ooh, that's not bad. Toby, how about you go next? What time did you do?
9.2.
9.2? Oh.
Is that all?
Is that all? Okay. That was a bit slower than I thought, because we tested it a little while ago on the exact same road and it did it in 8.1. Now, I am really concerned for this, because our two I think are going to be pretty close. Why don't you go first? What time did you do?
6.4.
Bother. Okay, yeah, you beat me fair and square there. That's pretty fast.
What did you do?
I did 7 seconds exactly.
Oh.
So there we go. Well done, Jack. Yes, your car is the fastest. In phase 1, but now we are going to move on to phase 2.
Mine shall also be the fastest.
Will it?
Pointless test.
Will it?
It's pointless.
Will it?
It will.
Well, let's find out. We're going to do a series of heats, and I am going to verse the Alteza, and the 530i is going to verse the Legacy, and then whoever wins those will battle, and whoever loses those will battle, and we will determine our 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place from the races accordingly. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Alrighty, well that's a win for the Accord. And 3, 2, 1, go. Alrighty, and 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's actually really close, eh?
Oh.
I think you were just pulling, but there's not much in it.
3, 2, 1, go. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go.
1, go. Wow, these things, I don't know, right? Because I was pulling for a bit, then you were pulling for a bit, and my goodness, one thing's for sure, the third gear on these cars is so long.
You were pulling for a little bit, and then I started coming through towards the end.
Yeah, top of third gear, you were definitely starting to have me, eh? What do you reckon? Do we give it one more try along here, maybe? 3, 2, 1, go. I think you are just barely pulling, eh? So there we are, the Legacy comfortably took out the 0 to 100 sprint and barely took out the rolling race against my Accord, but I guess you'll just have to tune in next week to see who can take out the Hillclimb sprint.